First, let's set up the ZP Logic software. Open the software and configure the I2C, SPI, and UART buses according to your project specifications. Ensure the connections between the Nucleo board and your peripherals are secure. Next, we'll send test data, I2C signals to display text on the LCD 1602, UART strings for serial communication, and SPI values for data transfer. To make the UART strings easier to read, switch the display format in ZP_Logic to ASCII. This will present the data in a clear, human-readable format. First, set the memory size. In the ZPLUS software, drag the slider to select the appropriate memory size. Then, set the trigger position to a percentage, such as 90%, to control the data capture range. Next, configure the I2C bus decoder. In the protocol decoder menu, select I2C and complete the signal setup. Then, set up the UART bus decoder. Choose the signal channel, set the baud rate, and select ASCII as the format. Now, configure the SPI bus decoder. Select the channel for SPI signals. Then, set the SPI bus trigger to define the capture condition. Finally, click the Run button to start recording. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to use ZP_Logic to monitor multiple protocols simultaneously, making your embedded development process more efficient. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more tutorials on protocol analysis and embedded systems.